What's going on, everyone, and thank you for joining me in another video on my YouTube fitness travel. So first off, I want to thank you guys for liking and viewing, subscribing to my first video. Remember, the giveaway ends June 21st, so you guys still have time. If you haven't viewed my first video, make sure you like and subscribe and hit that alert button so you guys are notified every time I post. All right, now with that being said, today we have a great topic. Today we'll be learning how to make and pronounce no, it's not a Acai, it's not a acai, it's an acai bowl. All right, it's a great meal that I make in the morning, start off my day. Great source of energy, vitamin A, high in antioxidants. So what an acai is, it's pretty much a cross between a blueberry and a grape, grown on palm trees in South and Central America, along water streams such as like the Amazon. So since it's grown over there in like the Amazon, Central America, in America you tend to see it in a powder form, juice, supplements, or what I'm using today is frozen puree. And what an acai bowl is, it's pretty much a thicker smoothie where you can place fruit toppings, nuts, or granolas. Now that you guys know how to pronounce an acai bowl, now we're going to learn how to make an acai bowl. Alright, so we have the acai, frozen puree. We have an avocado, which we're only going to use a quarter of it. A cup of almond milk. You can use coconut milk or regular milk. I prefer almond milk. A handful of spinach. We have a whole frozen banana. And we have chia seeds. Cashews. And this is going to be for the topping. Blueberries. The cashews, banana, blueberries, honey, banana will all be for the topping. So we're going to cut this avocado. If you guys don't know how to cut an avocado, just check online, YouTube it. So like I said, we're going to cut this up and we're only going to use a quarter of it. So what I like to do is grab a spoon and just scoop it out like that. And now I'm going to cut up the banana. And that is for the toppings. Alright, so we have the banana, we have the blueberries, the cashews, the honey. Everything else we're going to put right into the blender. Okay, so we have the puree, the almond milk, spinach, avocado, frozen banana, and I forgot, but you guys also can add some mixed berries. So right here, put that all in, blend it up, and this is what we have. Now we're gonna get those bananas that we cut up earlier. And like I said, this is a great presentation meal. It's great to eat, but it pops out to the eye, that's for sure. So here we have cashews. You can add any kind of nuts, almonds. I sometimes add almonds. We have granola. So I got some of these ingredients at Healthy Living, but I'm not gonna lie, I just grabbed a Chewy Bar, but I think I'm gonna try their granola at Healthy Living because they have a lot of different options. Now we have the blueberries. Like I said, you guys can try any fruits that you have: strawberries, mango, and there we have the chia seeds. And then I just like to add a drizzle of honey over the top. So this is a great morning energy meal right here. Acai Bowl. Take a look. Anybody can do it. I get a lot of questions about this. So I want to thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you like and subscribe if you haven't, and hit that alert button so you guys are notified every time I post. All right. Remember, our giveaway is still going on. It ends June 21st. All right. All you have to do is like and subscribe and hit that alert button right next so you guys are notified. All right. Go and get it.